In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a workspace in NinjaTrader. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so a workspace in NinjaTrader saves your charts, indicators, your chart layouts, windows, and even other workspace settings so you can reopen everything later on. Now, we want to go ahead and set up your workspace. So I'm guessing you've already done this. So go ahead and open up NinjaTrader and arrange everything how you want it. So open your charts and your indicators, set your chart timeframes and all that good stuff. Now, look at the top left-hand corner of NinjaTrader and we want to click onto Workspaces. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto New and then enter the name for your workspace. So I'm going to call this Workspace 1 and then click OK. Now your workspace is now saved for later. So if we click onto Workspaces, it's going to be saved here. And we've got default workspaces here. So it's either going to be below that or in your workspace.